This is John with FixYourDirtBike.com, and this is how to remove the piston on your 1994 through 2001 Yamaha YZ125. You can find my full top-end service video as well as parts and tools linked below. Start with your piston rotated to top dead center. Test the condition of the connecting rod, needle bearing, and wrist pin. Grip the connecting rod with one hand and try to rock, not slide, the piston side to side. If there is any play, you already know something is out of spec. Remove the pin clips with a pick. Wear safety glasses. A pin clip to the eye hurts like you would not friggin' believe. Remove the wrist pin. Remove the needle bearing and wrap your connecting rod with a clean shop towel. If you need any help or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or shoot me a DM. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.